I've just updated the workflow to include a random prompt node. Most online image generators use an AI prompt enhancement system where a simple prompt is expanded into a detailed, long prompt. In ComfyUI, we can achieve the same result using this node. You enter a basic prompt here and it automatically generates a more detailed prompt, often around 100 words. You can either copy and paste the generated prompt or link it directly to the main prompt input in the workflow. Not only that, I've also included my Apex Random node. This node lets you generate random prompts when you want to batch generate multiple images. Here's how it works. If you write a prompt like a bracket woman, tiger, monkey, old man bracket, sitting in a meadow, each time the prompt runs, the node randomly selects one of those words. So every generation produces a different result. Here are the outputs generated using this method. I can simply queue multiple images without changing the prompt. Each run randomly generates a different subject automatically. This is a small prompt enhancement update. The download link will be in the description and on Patreon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!